We are Robert and Julia, and we love sea days. We love to travel, and we want to take you with us as we go to Mexico, Alaska, or explore the good old United States. Hiking West Wing Mountain. So come with us as we hike, drive, or hop a train to explore our great state of Arizona until we can cruise again and enjoy those sea days. We're in the tunnels. Here we go. Getting closer every step. We got our drinks. The Ocean Ready app didn't quite work for us.
Last video off our balcony. We're back in LA.